Thank you for joining us. I'm so excited to present to you this new 5-part series on Jamaican restaurants in the community. And what a better way to start than to begin with the most popular and controversial restaurant in the GTA, Casuals. You may have seen their advertisement. It's a hoot, it's a hoot. But if you have not seen it, check it out.
Here at Casuals, we're not really into the customer service thing. You will get food for purchase when we have food. If it's dine-in, you want dine-in, you can catch a one corner eat or fight over the one stool. Sometimes we have oxtail, but when it finish, it done. We have fresh food, but most time we don't have what you want. But we have 24 locations that if that one don't have what you want, you can check the another one to see if they have it. But don't ask if we call them because we're not into the customer service thing. So come to Casuals where you can get sitting for eat, even if I know what you want.
Real, isn't it a hoot? Well, guess what? I'm right here at Casuals. Yes, I'm right here at Casuals, ready to have a chat with husband and wife team, Mr. and Mrs. Aloysius. Casual, Seedingford. Let's go in. Mr. Seeding.
Lady, I don't you want me done this interview? Where I get my government name from? Who give you my government name? My name Casual. As I walk in, they dip on the sign, Mr. Casual.
I'm very sorry, Mr. Casual. Well, thank you, Mr. Casual, for joining us.
Thank you. Uno just make sure you clean up when uno done.
You don't have to worry about that. We'll get that cleaned right up. Hello, Mr. Seedingford. Thank you so much for having this interview with us. Well, thank you for coming here, ma'am. Well, I really like this and I appreciate you coming out here. Even the camera and the light them and everything. It's so good. It's so nice to have you come here at Casual and find out more about the shop. Can you tell us a bit about Casual's restaurant? How did it get started?
Well, me used to cook for my family back home, Jamaica. And me cook for my friend them. And when me come to Canada, me say, Kiashi, why you don't open one shop and make a little money? So, that is what I did. I opened the shop and that is it.
Well, what used to happen was people would come over and food, we just make food, we love cook. Kaji in love for cook. So we cook and people eat and people like the food, so them come over again, you know. And we love entertain people, we love have people over. We have a big family, you know. We have a big family. People come over and we cook and, you know, taranat. So when we come here now, it was me and Kaji come over. And then we send for with that to come, you know. So when we come here, we decide say, you know, we can do a little thing because we go some of the restaurant them and the food never tastes right, you know. So we decide say, you know what, we open up one shop because we realize the white people they love the jerk chicken, you know. Them love the jerk chicken, white, Chinese, black, Indian, cool, all of them. Them love the jerk chicken. Them love the oxtail. White people they love the oxtail, you know. So we say, all right, we open up one shop. So we open it up, and that's it from there. It just take off, and you know we're here today. I have to commend you on, you know, going out, coming into a different country, and going out there and giving it your all. Good for you. Stay tuned next week for part 2 of In the Community.